Every year I'm excited that AOLP comes up. It's really the biggest event in landscape lighting, bringing all the professional landscape lighting designers together. This year it's in Clearwater. I hope everyone can attend. I just love getting that camaraderie, the time spent together and seeing so many friends. Sterling Lighting is a huge supporter of AOLP. We believe in the mission, we believe in everything that AOLP is doing. So if you have the opportunity to go, this is the best combination of not only lighting design and lighting technique, but also best business practices. So I love AOLP. I love the organization, the people that put so much time and energy into really making this event happen is inspiring. So I hope to see everybody at AOLP. The speaker lineup looks wonderful. The time spent together is always great. Sterling Lighting is bringing our full team in as we typically do. So you'll have the opportunity to meet Victor, our marketing director. You'll have Nathan will be there, myself, Jim Heim, Damian Sanchez. So it's really a time for us to get a chance to talk to you, see what we can do better, see what needs you have out there, and how we can continue to improve Sterling Lighting to assist AOLP and to help you grow your business. We're looking forward to seeing everyone February 20th and 21st in Clearwater, Florida at AOLP, celebrating lighting design, and helping to grow our businesses together.